How do you pronounce this name from German? Let's break down the pronunciation. Glashutte normally has an umlaut on the U, so double dots. Glashutte, making that U sound. How do you pronounce this name from German? Let's break down the pronunciation. Glashutte normally has an umlaut on the U, so double dots. Glashutte, making that U sound. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.